Welcome to Her Soul Vacation 2023.
Hey, where did you go? Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, drawn to your glow. Oh, my fire, fire, firefly, burning the day. I know you can stay. Hey, my fire, fire, firefly. Where did you go? Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, drawn to your
2022 was full of first-timers for me. 2022 was my first year of living full-time as a nomad in my mini Winnie RV. You watch me make new friends. I got to know where the snowbirds go for the winter. I spent most of 2022 in the beautiful state of Arizona. I fell in love with the Sonoran Desert, camping surrounded by the majestic and enormous saguaro cacti.
So tell me, baby, what you see when you're staring at the sky, miles away from me. Can't find you lately, where you been? And did you run into the ocean for a midnight swim? Every time I catch you, I have to let you go. Where did you go?
I went off-roading for the first time in the Quartzsite Desert Trails. And at the Superstition Mountains, I almost killed myself going off-roading all alone.
She said, my baby, don't be shy. And then she grabbed me by the hand and held me in her arms.
In my life, I had never seen the sunsets that I saw in the desert.
No, don't tell me where we're going, 'cause I don't care. Every time I catch you, I have to let you go.
And of course, I brought you my rookie DIYs as I learned to care for my mini Winnie, my RV. And do expect them to continue to come in 2023.
Can't stay, hey, my fire, fire, firefly. You're flying around, you're a light, you're a sound, not something I can keep. Fly higher, my dear, touch the atmosphere. Keep dancing in your sleep.
Hey, where did you go? Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, drawn to your glow. Oh, my fire, fire, firefly, burning the day. I know you can stay. Hey, my fire, fire, firefly.
Later in the year, I made a drastic decision and moved my life to Utah, where the fall welcomed me with its colorful blanket and the wind's whispers of changes ahead. So, what to expect from Her Soul Vacation 2023? I got to think of the name of my channel, and I want to think about it perhaps like a body, and think about her and bring you more about of who I am, stories of growing up in Chile, stories that my children say pioneer style. And then for soul, I want to talk more about my ways of healing and why I need that healing. And I think it is important, especially nowadays, that we are made more aware of the need of addressing mental health and self-care. And maybe and hopefully that would help one of you. One of you is enough for me. And then the vacation part, put all my adventures because I cannot stop. And as my life changes, the one thing that remains consistent for me is my desire to adventure, my desire to connect with nature and to bring you the beauty of it. I know that not all of us have the fortune to have access, and I know there are people that have more and people that have less, but I want to share what I get access to with what I have. That is kind of what to expect for 2023. Thank you so much, and please come back for the next one. Ciao. Mwah.